It is about time to start dismantling the summer pots and plant out any perennials that you might have into the garden. So we are going to work on Lamium today, getting that out of the container and into the garden. I planted the Proven Winners variety of Lamium called Pink Chablis, and it is also known as dead nettle. And it is hardy in zones 4 through 8, so I am planting it as a perennial. Lamium grows 6 to 12 inches tall. It does like some fertilizer and normal water, and it says it is sun to shade. I found that it did better in a part sun setting. And it does have a spreading habit, so perfect as a ground cover in my front flower bed. Alrighty, and this is the spot where the Lamium is going to go, right on either side of the heuchera. So we're gonna put some ground cover on either side. I'm gonna move this container so we have a little room to work in this one, and I'll get all set up. Sorry about the bad camera angle, but I am planting on the other side of the heuchera. And we finished up our Lamium planting. So we do have one piece on this side, one piece on this side. This was a little bit bigger. I did trim it back just a little. It was a little straggly on the ends. And I had one small piece that I put in the front. Hopefully this will spread and fill in the space around the heuchera. And back up. And there we have it. Still looking, trying to decide what I want to put in that space right there and fill this in. Yep, right in there. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day.